It was the year 2008, and a shocking crime unfolded that sent shockwaves throughout the entire country of Jamaica. On that fateful Sunday, July 20th, Jamaicans woke up to a bewildering realization. The beach in Trelawny had vanished, stolen right from under their noses. The audacity and the mysterious nature of this incident left the nation perplexed, and to this day, the truth remains elusive. Now, there's a thriving black market for white sand. It is used in bunkers on golf courses, mortar and cement for swimming pools, and in the production of a variety of products that includes phone screens. Sand is a limited resource, and commercially viable sand is in short supply, so sand is being stolen and smuggled around the globe. It is so valuable, people are willing to die to obtain it. But contrary to what one might assume, it wasn't just a small portion of sand that had gone missing. In fact, several hundreds of tons of pristine white sand were meticulously removed from the Coral Spring Beach, a project in the Trelawny parish. The audacious culprits behind this heist managed to execute their plan flawlessly, leaving no trace of their identity behind. The magnitude of the crime was further amplified by the lack of progress in the investigation. Despite the public outcry and intense scrutiny, no arrests were made, and the entire inquiry was eventually abandoned. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, responsible for upholding law and order, found themselves deeply embarrassed by their inability to solve this puzzling case. The prevailing belief at the time was that the stolen sand had been illicitly sold to rival resorts, but without concrete evidence, the theft triggered a massive political controversy. The Jamaica Labour Party-led government faced immense pressure and accusations of a cover-up by the opposition People's National Party. The PNP demanded a thorough investigation into what they deemed to be the steal of the century. Even the then Deputy Commissioner, Mark Shields, acknowledged the complexity of the scheme in an interview with the BBC. He revealed the intricate layers involved, including the receivers of the stolen sand, the orchestrators of the operation, and the disturbing possibility of collusion between some police officers and the sand movers. The case had taken on a disturbing twist, as the very authorities entrusted with maintaining law and order were suspected of being complicit in the crime. To comprehend the magnitude of this audacious heist, one must consider the sheer volume of sand that disappeared. It is estimated that approximately 500 truckloads of sand were covertly removed from the Coral Spring Beach. Astonishingly, 15 years later, there are still no leads on the whereabouts of the stolen sand, nor have any suspects been apprehended. The perplexing nature of the crime and the subsequent lack of resolution ensured that this incident captured international attention. The theft of an entire beach became a subject of intrigue and captivated the world's imagination. Such was its impact that the incident even found its way into the popular Ripley's Believe It or Not comics later that year. The baffling disappearance of an entire beach remains a perplexing and unresolved mystery, leaving a lasting mark on the collective memory of Jamaica and serving as a cautionary tale of the audacity of the crime. If you found anything interesting or intriguing in this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I just want to say thank you all for watching, subscribing and liking these videos. Because of persons like you, I'm able to continue making these videos. You all stay blessed.